Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, market has closed on a silent note and we did not get to see some crazy moves we were expecting. Maybe market is waiting for the next Tuesday's CPI. As we know it very well that Forex market respects CPI news very well. CPI is a big event, so maybe we will get to see a silent market on Monday as well. So let's look at the chart of DXY first. And yes, DXY was inside the symmetrical triangle as discussed, and when market broke the level, we were quite happy that at last we got the direction in the market, but we can see that market is trying to recover again. So after the breakdown, DXY is climbing up again, but yes, this time the buying power is missing. You can see that in comparison to the selling pressure, the buying power is not very high. It means that the buyers are trying their best to take the market up, but the sellers are still very much present, as a result of which we can expect the resistances to work nicely. On the chart of DXY, the next resistance is around 103.65 to 103.70. This is the next immediate resistance. In case market shows good amount of buying on Monday, then we can expect the trend line, which was the previous support, to act as the new resistance. So these are the two resistances on the chart of DXY. And before that, we also have the moving averages also. So the DXY is trying to go up, but the road is not very clear. It needs momentum, it needs volatility. Then only it will be able to continue the upside on Monday as well. So let's wait and watch how DXY performs on Monday. In case market shows a drop on Monday, then you can expect a previous low. You can expect a previous low of 103.30 to act as support. Actually, the whole 103.30 to 103.20 is the next support zone for DXY. So that's all about DXY. Now let's head towards Euro USD. Yesterday on Friday, we discussed about the possibility of a breakout because we had a clear bullish flag. I also mentioned that if market breaks the flag towards the downside, then the pattern will be invalid. Sadly, the pattern became invalid when the sellers started pushing the market down, and Euro USD ultimately closed at 1.0748. This is the last traded price of Euro dollar. So what are the trading possibilities then? Opportunities. the first trading opportunity that I see on the chart of Euro dollar is around 1.0739. You can see here that this level of 1.0739, 1.0740 is very near to the last traded price, almost 9 to 10 pips only. So this is an immediate support on the chart of Euro USD. So the market opening will be very important. If you see a silent market opening, usually we don't get to see much volatility during the first half. Market prefers to stay silent. Right after the market opening, if we see that Euro USD is taking support around this area, market is showing a hammer kind of a pattern, price rejection from below, we will get a confirmation that this area has some buyers and we can look for a buy. Why we're considering this area as a support here? Because we can see that we have previous resistance which will be acting as support. And secondly, we also have Fibonacci 38.2% retracement area. If we combine both the factors, then it looks like a good support to us. So volatility of the market will play a major role. If the volatility seems to be normal, like a typical Monday market, then we can definitely expect 1.073040 to act as the next support. In case market shows volatility, if you see that right after the market opening, Euro USD is showing selling pressure, in that case you should forget about taking a buy around this area. Okay, in fact, you can also consider a sell below this level. But just to be on a safer side, you can look for buy around 1.0725 level. So this is the second support or the second level where you can expect buyers to be present. Why? Because we can see here we have Fibonacci 50% retracement around this area. Fibo 50 is a better level than Fibo 38.2. And secondly, we also have the 100 moving average around this area. So here also we have two support levels because of which we can expect the buyers to provide some support to the market. If market takes support and bounces according to expectation, we can obviously look for a buy position. Hopefully there will not be any crazy news that will bring some extreme selling on Euro USD right after market. But yes, weekends can be dangerous, scary sometimes, but as of now we don't have any news yet. Market is mostly waiting for CPI, so we can expect the levels to work. And as I said, the market is mostly waiting for the next CPI, so we can expect a silent market on Monday as well. So these are the two levels where you can expect the buyers to be active and look for a buy position on Monday. On the other hand, why I'm saying okay, on the other hand, right after the market opening, if you see market going up, then you can also consider a buy, risky buy. I won't say a very good buy, but risky buy above 1.0753. You can also look for a buy above this level. Why? Let me explain. First of all, market almost closed at the 50 moving average here. So 50 moving average is acting as a dynamic support for the market. If this support works, then obviously market will try to go higher. If not a complete bounce here, at least you can expect a bounce of 20 pips. Why I'm saying only 20 pips if the 50 moving average is a good support? The reason is that usually we don't get to see much volatility during the first half. We don't get to see much volume during the first half of Monday. So as a result, market may not show a good bounce that you're expecting, but at least you can expect a day trading opportunity, 20-25 pips, if market tries to take support and starts moving higher. Okay, so you can buy above this level, but follow proper risk management, because without volume, without volatility, there's a high chance of a false breakout as well. So these are the three trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD right now. I'm not talking about this level here or this level here, because those levels are far away from the current market price. I'm coming down on Monday. Okay, obviously I'm coming down on Monday. I'll be explaining, okay, if something bad happens, but as of now our eyes should be on this particular portion of the chart only. This is the hourly time frame. If you look at the higher time frame, then you don't get to see a clear picture. Okay, that's why instead of 4 hours time frame today, I just discussed the chart on the 1 hour time frame. But one thing I would like to mention here is that, okay, on the 4 hours time frame, you can see the 100 moving average is also present around this area. So 1.0740 has some significance. On the daily time frame, sadly we don't have any clarity regarding the direction of the market, and I'm not talking about a weekly time frame because this is a quite slow one. Okay, so let's wait and watch, my dear friends, and happy weekend. Enjoy the weekend with your friends and family. As I always say, do not gamble with hard-earned money. This is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, so proper risk management is extremely important. So bye bye, take care.